Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to link accounts to your Upwork profile. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. This right here is the interface. And right now, we're simply gonna focus on how to link accounts. At the top right, here's a profile right here. Just click on it. And from here, something like this will open up. Well, here's something like your profile, stats and trends and everything. Right now, let's simply go to your profile button right here. Once you're in this page, this right here is your profile. You can edit them from right here. That's certifications, employments and everything. But right now, let's simply hit on profile settings. The button's right next to see public view. Well, here's the profile settings. Scroll down and almost at the very bottom, you will see something like linked accounts. I'm gonna show you guys how to link accounts right now. Initially for GitHub, I'm gonna click on this button right here. It's going to prompt you to enter your email address and password. Simply sign in to GitHub as you usually do, and then your account will be linked. Likewise, similarly for Stack Overflow, Dribble and DeviantArt. This right here is for Stack Overflow. In case you have not logged in, it's going to ask you to enter your email address or simply your credentials. I have entered them, so I'm simply going to hit on approve. And that's it guys, that's how we link accounts in Upwork. Similarly, you can do the same for Dribble and DeviantArt. That's it guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.